A carbide burr tool is highly useful in aerospace maintenance for precision grinding of titanium and advanced alloy components because it provides the combination of hardness, heat resistance, and controlled cutting action required to work on materials that are both extremely strong and highly sensitive to damage. Aerospace-grade titanium alloys and nickel-based superalloys are engineered to withstand extreme temperatures, stress, and fatigue, which also makes them very difficult to machine using conventional tools once installed or during field maintenance. A carbide burr made from tungsten carbide retains its sharp cutting edges even under the intense friction and heat generated when working on these materials, allowing technicians to carefully remove small amounts of metal without introducing excessive heat buildup or structural weakening. In maintenance scenarios, such as repairing turbine housings, smoothing stress risers, blending weld repairs, or deburring machined edges on structural airframe components, the burr is used with a high-speed die grinder to achieve fine, controlled material removal in tight or complex geometries, where larger machining equipment cannot be used. Its ability to operate with precision is especially important in aerospace work because even minor surface imperfections can become stress concentration points that may lead to fatigue cracking under repeated flight cycles. Technicians often use carbide burrs to blend weld seams into surrounding base metal, restore aerodynamic surface continuity, and remove oxidation or minor damage from titanium parts without altering critical dimensions. Different burr shapes allow access to internal cavities, curved surfaces, and narrow channels, enabling consistent finishing quality across a wide range of components.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.